Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for coming in and hanging out with me. Y'all are amazing. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today we are heading down to Old Town Sacramento. It is a beautiful, blessed day today. It's about 75 degrees right now, and I think it's just going to continue getting hotter. I'm not going to lie. I think it's going to get upwards of 80, maybe 85 today, which means it's probably going to be about 90, 95 in the van. So it's going to be pretty damn hot. So got a little bit of a drive ahead of us, not too bad. But I've heard a lot of good things about this place, and I heard it's going to be really fun. So thank you guys for vibing with me, man. Let's have a great day today. This place is such a just more calm, lax environment compared to what I've been used to over the last couple of weeks. This is so just peaceful here. No traffic hardly at all unless you're going in and out of town. Everyone's in really good moods. The safety feels a lot better. It's a good place to live at, I would say. This place is awesome.
Traffic lights, turn right.
Turn right. Turn right. Hey. I'll be seeing you guys over there, alright? Cheers. If this is your guys' first time ever seeing Sacramento, something I didn't know when I first got here, but I've been hearing it everywhere, is they call this the city of trees. And I'm loving it. I'm loving all the flowers, the nature, the rivers. It's awesome here. It is awesome. This small and cute little cozy town. You can pretty much get anywhere you need within just a couple minutes, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes at max. Yo, this place is freaking cool. It's so damn cute. It's cute as heck. I love how cute this place is. I wonder what the timeline is. I'll have to figure it out. Yeah, this place is adorable. Let's get some food. I'm starving. Let's get some damn food there. We got going on in here. Oh, pizza. Is there another pizza store here? I feel like is there another one? Is there two?
There's like three. There's us and then two other ones. We're the store back.
But you're the best, right?
Oh yeah.
There it is. I'm just trying to get just a slice of pep.
Yeah, I think we're the only one after the slices. But yeah.
Really perfect. I was like, I'm just trying to get the one with the most amount of pepperoni, brother. Whatever I can do.
It's definitely here.
Perfect. All right, let's do it. Check out those guys. Hell yeah.
So one slice pepperoni. Anything to drink for you?
Good. I got water.
Did you want to buy a ranch or are you good?
Ranch.
And then the slices go on the paper tray, like ready to eat right away?
Yep.
Alright. The 7 20.
What's that little park over there? I see it looks like all the pumpkins.
They might have done like a little like pumpkin patch kind of thing.
I was gonna say, it's just seen it.
They have couple like all reinforced stuff wings going around here.
Gotcha.
That slice is gonna be order number 43. Appreciate you ready in just a minute right down there. Left.
Appreciate you. Thank you, man. Let's go. Not too bad.
43?
Oh, that was fast as heck.
Thank you.
Now that's a good little pie. Well, storage device was full on the other one, so we're out exploring, but with the other camera. This place is so cute. As I was talking about with that pizza has got to be an easy 10 out of 10. And I'm not big on rating stuff 10s, but that pizza slapped. It was so good. Every bite had a piece of pepperoni, had a little bit of seasonings, a little bit of spice. Let me show you guys a little bit about what I'm checking out. This place is stunning. Check all this out. They got trains. Whoa! Check that out. It's a nice 80 degrees out. Beautiful, stunning. Downtown Old Sacramento. Old Sacramento. Old Sacramento. Old Sacramento. Never expected this place to have so much nature. They were saying this was the hot spot for all the gold during the gold rush. About to go down there and start checking for a little bit of gold here.
Yeah, it was real. I mean, they really used this one. It's the original.
Now y'all aren't gonna believe this, but guess what they have here? Just guess. A Ferris wheel. Ooh, a freaking Ferris wheel. Yo, if we can ride that, I'm getting on it. I'm getting on it. We are getting on that bad boy. You know what I mean? Alright. Hey. Catch me on the top of that Ferris wheel. Alright. Now for the main attraction. Check it. And now for the main event of the day. Check it. We made it. Ooh. We made it to Tower Bridge. Let's go, baby! So if you guys didn't know, Tower Bridge actually has to lift. So if there's a boat that is tall enough and it won't get under the bridge, you have to actually clear past the halfway point. It literally says right here, it says warning, get beyond gate when bell rings. I can't imagine like that big old boat right there coming and it's just like meh, the bridge is like meh. That'd be crazy. And it's made out of gold, baby. This was the gold panning capital, they said, so they made the bridge out of gold. This place is sick. This place is so cool. Looks like you can get up there. I want to watch the bridge lift. I really do. Okay. As we begin our walk back, if you guys are from Sacramento, I would love to know your thoughts about this area. If there's anything I didn't cover, I'm like, this place is absolutely phenomenal. It's breathtaking. It's stunning. Everyone down here is an absolute gem. It looks like down here by Old Sacramento is the university, it looks like right there. Well, as always, if you guys like this week's video, please make sure to drop a comment, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel. We're gonna go try to find a place to park and settle down for the night. I appreciate you guys. Big love, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.